look at like knockoff toys today. So yeah, first we're looking at these like helicopter shooter thingies. This one already broke. Wait a minute, let me just look at that.
I guess you took care of it.
Yeah. But this one already survived all of them, so like ooh baby, I like dead helicopters. Ooh. Okay, as you see right now, we're testing the green one. Stay right there. Oh, that's better than his cousin. No,
What kind of phone is that? Is that a Metro?
LG.
LG?
That guy in the background
I
don't
got
care.
Metro.
Okay. Test number 2. Lou. I feel like that. That's pretty cool. You used to see something like this out of the red one. Yeah.
I remember when you guys were little. Now you're getting big.
Wait, is that like wood or something?
Huh? Yeah, that's wood. Be careful. Be careful. It's got nails in it.
Might think of like dropping this on the toy. Dropping this giant crate on the toy. Don't try this out. Okay, this is the last remains, and this is not crushing.
Be
What
careful. It's got nails in it.
Yep. Go be careful. No, don't do this at home, kids. We might need to do that a second time. Hope you kids are ready for the last of this remains to get crushed. Watch out for their nails.
You're going to crush it now.
It's the same thing. It didn't really go good as the first. You know what? Forget it. I'll just...
Do it yourself, right?
That was fun. Now we got the main channel's favorite thing, USA truck. Now, I don't know how good this is gonna go, but I don't really want to break this one. Yeah, my dad.
I wouldn't break it. It's a nice truck.
Okay. I'm sorry for this. Ding, 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 ding. Anything broke?
No.
Oh my god. Seriously?
No, it didn't break.
Oh. It's a very good. But now with the wood. AKA. Careful. Be careful.
Be careful with the nail.
Where is it?
It's somewhere on the wood. Be careful though.
Oh. Let's do this.
Oh, I broke the wood.
Holy.
Broke the wood.
It's like the Hulk. Oh.
I'm gonna try.
I broke it. Holy crap.
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna try? Dropping it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, somewhere like dropping. It's called. Wait, hold on.
So I can hold
I got it.
Stand back.
Right.
Instructable.
What about this? I got another only way.
There's a little dent.
Yeah, like right here. But still, with some of the wheel. Wait a minute. I think I know what this is supposed to do. So I guess that's the first video of toy destruction. If you want to see us make more Comment down in the below. Wait a minute.
Wait, let me see.
This is one toy that won't break.
Let's see.
This is amazing. The helicopters are like trash. Oh my God. Eddie's going in. Eddie's, oh crap. Oh. Ay. Oh. Well, I was wrong.
One like, one prayer.
One life, one player, yep. Oh, yep, let's see the destruction. Eddie did really good on that. I think my foot was horrible. But here's the Liberty herself, kind of split in half. Okay, stop it. And here's the other side of Liberty, and if you put these together, kind of makes the whole truck.
That I smashed.
Yeah. And I think Liberty's base is somewhere around here. I don't know where it is. The rest of it is.
So that's the side of the truck.
Yeah, this is horrible. Inside of the truck, there's not really anything, because that's how it's so easy to break. All the stuff is gone. All the other trucks that have stuff in it is hard to break, like batteries and like wire. Yeah. Nothing to see here. Not my property. Yeah.
That's for it for the first video.
Yep. If you want to see us destroying more knockoffs, toys, definitely not the toys that are good. Maybe like Pokemon, because like Pokemon sucks. Oh yeah, little girls out there, I prefer cats more than dogs. I'll literally destroy a dog. So I'll just, maybe,
Look.
oh that's horrible. Now, back to, we might destroy a knockoff dog next, like from a Barbie set, so yeah. We'll get back, shut up dog. We'll get back to another video. Stay calm, stay juicy. R.I.P. truck. That's all I have to say. Bye-bye.